Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily crop your photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, you can hit at that plus sign to add here your photo from camera roll. Just in that way you can just find a photo and then check mark it and hit on add, or right from that screen you can select existing photo. Right now, first I recommend you to do is to use that magic retouch feature, even if you just want to crop your photo, because it highly improves image quality. Let me show you how it works. You can just tap right here to see how amazing photo looks right now. So you can hit at reset to see the original photo. In that way you can easily compare original photo and that result. I think you see that huge difference, and once you did that, you can, in order to crop that image, you can hit right here at this three dots icon, and from here just hit add crop. On that step, you can easily crop your photo. Using these options, you can just drag it left or right to select any of these options. You can crop it one by one. In that way, also you can scale it. 4 by 5, 5 by 4, and other different options. Also, right here you can rotate your picture. Tapping at this icon, you can rotate it in that way. And let me set it. Let me crop it to square. And also you can flip it in that way. And then you can use this tool to change the perspective. In that way you can rotate it if you wish. You can select any angle up to 45, left or right, and also you can change perspective in that way. Once you finished with that, you can just hit at apply, and then you can continue using Lensa app to continue editing your photo, or you can just hit right here at save button to save the changes. I have just saved the photo to my camera roll. Now I can move on to photos, and right here at recents I can easily find that picture. So guys, now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.